Hello and thanks for watching. I'm going to show you how to use the new navigation system in your student portal. I did a small redesign to just make it a little bit simpler for you and just have a little more longevity. So the first thing that you'll do is go to your Legacy School full course. You guys will show up on your dashboard as regular. You'll click continue. And now this is what you see. So instead of having a whole bunch of bulk at the top here, we have to scroll way down in order to find your classes. I've redesigned it with this new feature to make it a lot simpler. It was something I've always wanted to do, but they only recently came out with the feature, so I could redesign it for you to kind of make it look how I originally envisioned. So I really hope you enjoy it. So I left a little sticker to help remind you that if you click the options below, they will expand. So for example, if I wanted to get information about the Q&A mentoring, if I just click it, it expands and I can see all the information I need just right here. And like here, you'll go to your archives if you want to see a past Q&A, and here is the button that you can click in order to go straight to the Zoom call. And if you click it again, it will subtract. It'll go back, kind of get out of the way and just make things a lot nicer, because it's like, you know, these are features that you don't really need 24/7. Sometimes you just want to come in and watch a class, and I wanted to make it a little simpler. So your time calculator, you click it, you can go to the time calculator button. If you click it again, it goes away. This is also a new feature where you can submit your questions for Q&A. You just simply click and follow the prompts. It'll ask for your name, click the arrow to go on, type your question. I'm just going to click test, go on. You can also put other comments if you have testimonies of things going on in school that I can get to Dr. Crawford for you. If you have more questions, you can add more, click submit, and your question is now submitted. Nice and easy, and you can do that at any time. And your answers, you can click on that and it'll actually give you the answers that you typed in as well if you want to review. And so, yeah, just remember that any questions submitted after 6 p.m. the day of Q&A will be discussed at the following Q&A mentoring session. So if they don't get in before 6 p.m. that day, our time, then we won't be able to have them involved in that particular session. So make sure you do submit your questions before 6 p.m. Central Time. Same with the resource library over here. It expands. You can actually click this button. It'll take you straight to the resource library. Makes it super nice and simple. And I can always get it out of the way if I want. Here to go to the Facebook. So since we are doing this for the Q&A now, it's not 100% necessary to submit your questions like I probably talk about in another video. So just be aware of that. You can submit your questions right here. I'm trying to make it super simple for all of our students. And of course, here is our Legacy student gift that you can read all about it. So I hope this makes it easy for all of you, and let me know how it goes. Any feedback would be appreciated. Thanks so much for watching.